YouTube? It's me again. I'm not on camera yet because I've gone get a pair of sheet metal shears for one reason. One reason only. No, I didn't buy a set of sheet metal shears. This is stuff I showed you in the last video. I'm only, like I said before, I make short videos because I bought one of these again. Bought some red-handled pliers. But little shop tip, use these. They cut open, not only they cut sheet metal, they cut pretty much anything else that's non-metal. So yeah, if you want to get these open without losing a finger, I suggest to use those. Quick work. Believe it or not, I'm a huge fan of vice grips, in case anybody hasn't noticed. But believe it or not, I find the vice grips in Milwaukee are, I would say, about the same quality. The Milwaukee I find are kind of like the older versions of the vice grips. The older vice grips tend to be a little less non-slip. The newer ones, the finish is too smooth. And these are pretty damn good. They're like 20 bucks. And the thing about a lot of the cheap ones is when you clamp down on it, one of these will go this way and one of these will go that way. And a lot of the real cheap freaking vice grips, I have a pair over here, you clamp down really hard and the two ends just go like opposite like that. Vice grips and these ones don't do that. I'm gonna pick up a set of these ones, a set of Tecton. I'm gonna get a Miller and a cheap one and put them all together and show you the difference. Because the Tecton, I looked at them and they weren't exactly as, I don't know, they seemed really cheap. Like these have meat to it. So yeah, that's one of the little gizmos. And in my other things, I picked up a box of parallels. The only one problem is, see, picked up these beautiful set of parallels, right? Nice little parallels in the box. Yeah, perfect. Wonderful. But me not paying attention on Amazon, because, you know, nice parallels put in there. Use it for the lathe. Here's the thing. Wasn't paying attention. I need 4 or 6 inch ones. These are 3 inch. I bought the wrong size. So, came packed pretty good, except for one piece of wood here is busted. The box, there's a little notch there, it's busted. But other than that, it was like, I don't know, 20 bucks, I think, 10 bucks. Made in China, Tay tools. So that was my fault. I also picked up one of these. It's a 75-pound support jig. I didn't know magnets are called support jigs, but again, if you want to get these open without slicing your fingers open, you could use regular scissors, but you know, regular scissors would be. If I have these at home, I'll use these at home too, because why the hell not, right? So you just, regular chicken shears work too. Get at home. Cut them off like that, take it off, and I'd like to test this and put a rope around and put 75 pounds of steel on it, just to see if it works good. I paid, I think, what, $7 for it or something. And already I can tell you it works pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad. It does have some, let's just say it's better than, where's the other stupid thing I bought? This is a Harbor Freight switch magnet, right? Watch this. This Harbor Freight switch magnet is on right now. That's in the on position. This is running 75-pound magnet. I can't even, I have to use 2 of them to pull it. Switch magnet, pick it up 2 fingers. This is a 90-pound switch magnet. Yeah. 90 pounds? I don't think so. Off. Let's turn it off. It's off. Turn it back on. Switch magnet is on. 90 pounds. 90 pounds of horse shit. Alright, we'll end this video right now. Ta-da!